Honey, a golden liquid enjoyed for millennia, a taste of nature's bounty. But how is this marvel made? It's a fascinating journey, orchestrated by the industrious honeybee. Honeybees are master architects, chemists, and tireless workers. Their hives are bustling cities dedicated to the production of this precious liquid gold. Honey begins as nectar, a sweet reward offered by flowers. Bees are drawn to the vibrant colors and alluring scents of flowers. These natural attractants guide them to their food sources. These hardworking insects possess a long straw-like tongue called a proboscis. This allows them to reach deep inside the flower and extract nectar. The nectar is a sweet liquid produced by flowers to entice pollinators. As the bee drinks the nectar, it stores this sugary treasure in a special sac called a honey stomach. This sac can hold almost its own weight in nectar. This is separate from their regular stomach, ensuring the nectar remains unspoiled. The honey stomach is a crucial part of the bee's anatomy, designed specifically for this purpose. A single bee may visit thousands of flowers in a day, tirelessly working from dawn to dusk, diligently collecting nectar to bring back to the hive. Once back, the nectar is passed to other worker bees who help in the process of turning it into honey. This collective effort ensures the hive has enough food to survive and thrive. Back at the hive, the magic continues. Worker bees receive the nectar from foraging bees. They then pass it mouth to mouth in a process called trophallaxis. This helps reduce the water content and introduce enzymes. These enzymes are critical. They break down complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars like glucose and fructose. This makes the honey easier to digest and less prone to spoiling. The bees then deposit the partially transformed nectar into the honeycomb cells. Section 4, Honeycomb, Nature's Pantry. The honeycomb is one of nature's most fascinating creations, a true testament to the ingenuity of bees. Honeycomb is a marvel of engineering. Each cell is meticulously crafted by worker bees, who use their bodies as tools to shape the wax. Made from beeswax, it's a series of hexagonal cells. These hexagons are not just random shapes, they are the most efficient way to use space and materials. This shape is incredibly efficient, providing maximum storage space with minimal materials. The hexagonal structure allows bees to store the maximum amount of honey while using the least amount of wax. To further reduce the water content in the honey, bees fan their wings over the honeycomb. This process is crucial as it helps in evaporating the excess moisture from the nectar. This evaporation thickens the honey, giving it its signature viscous texture. The thickened honey is not only more nutritious but also less prone to fermentation and spoilage. Once the honey reaches the desired consistency, bees seal the honeycomb cells with fresh beeswax. This sealing process is vital for preserving the honey for future use. This preserves the honey, creating a perfect store of food. The sealed honeycomb can last for years, providing a reliable food source for the bee colony during times of scarcity. Section 5. The importance of honeybees. Honeybees are vital pollinators. As they move from flower to flower collecting nectar, they also transfer pollen. This pollination is essential for the reproduction of plants, including many fruits, vegetables, and wildflowers. Without bees, our world would be a very different place. We rely on their pollination services for a significant portion of our food supply. Their role in the ecosystem is critical, highlighting the interconnectedness of nature. Section 6. A sweet reminder. The next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, take a moment to savor its sweetness and think about the incredible journey it took to reach your table. This golden nectar is the result of a complex and fascinating process that begins with the tireless efforts of honeybees. These industrious insects travel from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollinating plants along the way. Their work is essential, not only for honey production, but also for the health of our ecosystems. Once the nectar is collected, it undergoes a remarkable transformation inside the beehive. The bees work together to convert the nectar into honey, a process that involves evaporation and the addition of enzymes. The result is a delicious and nutritious substance that has been cherished by humans for thousands of years. Honey is a true testament to the wonders of nature and the intricate balance of our environment. As we enjoy this sweet treat, let us remember to protect these incredible creatures. Honeybees play a vital role in our world, and their well-being is closely linked to our own. By supporting sustainable beekeeping practices and creating environments where bees can thrive, we can help ensure their survival. Sustainable beekeeping not only benefits the bees, but also produces high-quality honey that is free from harmful chemicals. It is a win-win for both the bees and us. Appreciating the importance of biodiversity and the interconnectedness of all living things is crucial. Every small action we take to support the environment can have a significant impact. By fostering a healthy bee population, we contribute to the overall health of our planet. Honeybees are indicators of a thriving ecosystem, and their presence signifies a balanced and healthy environment. So the next time you drizzle honey on your toast or stir it into your tea, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. Let us cherish and protect the honeybees, ensuring they continue to enrich our lives and the planet for generations to come.